current situation, holiday weekend, get to have a whole lot of time off and relax and not do anything, and this happened. So we're gonna try to clear this driveway because we got some kiddos that got to get to work in the morning. So this is attempt number 1.
Did that dude just tear a branch off?
Yeah. Yep. The whole thing was moved.
Yeah, I think it's working. It just.
Yeah. Who's ballsy enough to climb in the middle right there? I'm gonna need somebody to back the truck up. Alright. This is attempt number 2. Careful. Attempt number 3. This sucks.
Yeah.
My juice.
What?
I used it all day yesterday. I didn't charge the battery.
Oh?
Okay. Was this option 3 or 4?
4. Around 4.
Okay. Let's go get the real saw. Attempt 5. Nope. 5.5. Take 5,000. Well, you moved it. Better or worse, though?
Not sure.
I'd say better in terms of it's like only covering half the driveway now. What a mess! Happy Memorial Day. All right. I think we start cutting this up, and then we'll see how it goes. I can cut that up pretty quick, I think. Well, that's not what we expected to have happen, so but we're gonna get through it nonetheless, because well, we have to. It's our driveway. We have to get through it. That's a dad joke. All right.
Uh-huh.
Tripping.
Yep.
Well, we got a lot of this tree cut up thanks to the help of Candace and the kids here. Yeah. Not what we expected to do today. We were actually supposed to take the day off because we've been working quite a bit this weekend. We were just going to relax and not do anything. And then this happened. But we're getting her cleaned up. Plus, bonus, look how much wood we get that we don't have to cut when it's freezing cold out in the winter. But it is 80 degrees out and we're doing it now. So
I was going to say, I like cutting wood when it's cold out.
Yeah.
Just not in the snow.
This sucks.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah, this gets a little
It's
warm. All right, today, since we spent all day yesterday trying to clean up that tree in the driveway, we've got enough so we can at least get up and down the driveway. But we still got a little bit of work to do. Yesterday we were supposed to get our meat chickens out on grass, and it was what, 7:30, 8 o'clock by the time we get home with that stupid tree. So today we're gonna move our chicken tractors out here. We're gonna get them out on the grass. We just got them set up here for the winter. We're gonna move them. We're gonna start them right out over here, and then we're gonna follow up all the way down the yard and out, probably go around the barn this year, I think is what we're gonna try to do. Try to keep it a little bit more contained. So that's the idea. We're gonna get these guys eating something natural rather than...
They're ready. They need to get out.
Yeah, you guys know with meat chickens, they just get to a point where it's like, all right, you guys are nasty. Y'all gotta go. You're stinking up my barn. And we got to get that coop in, the brooder coop in the barn cleaned out and ready for batch number dos for meat chickens, because that's happening very shortly. All right, let's get these guys moved. Well, we're going to figure out, is there anything alive? And oh yeah, there's been some activity. Whoops. Oh, got to watch yourself on these edges. That sheet metal is really sharp. Oh! Stop. I want to go this way.
Oh, I'm stepping on.
Did you get caught in the chicken tractor?
Yes.
Go ahead, let down. Yeah, that sheet metal is sharp. Hey.
Maximize as much room as we have, so don't take it further than you need to.
These aren't that heavy, but I've seen some pretty cool videos with guys that put some wheels underneath these. Looks pretty sweet to me. One of the biggest things with having the tractors out here next to the woods is making sure you got a tight seal kind of around the bottom, and you don't have a predator that tries to dig underneath and go up underneath and get your chickens at night.
We usually put a motion sensor light out here too to deter the animals.
Yeah, the motion lights seem to help quite a bit. Try for the second one?
Yep. Will that one swing around, or do you need my help with that one?
No, I'd probably swing that one. So what you want me to do?
Yeah.
So you don't have to move it?
Yeah. I'll help you if you need me to. Stuck.
These guys are getting pretty weathered. That'll do.
Some nice grass in there to eat.
Just getting out of there. Coop is going to be very beneficial to them. Okay, let's go get some chickies and a couple waterers and a feeder. All right, here's the little meat guys, and then this is something that we used last year that really helped out. just kind of like a little board, and I can keep them up closer so Candace can get a hold of them. We've got our, see, they're a little big.
Yeah.
I'll just, ready? So we got 20. We're gonna put 10 per tractor, and that gives them lots of space. We're 4, 6. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here. Seven. Candace is getting real good at this.
Aiming the butt away.
Butt away. If you can do butt away when you grab these guys, all the power to you, because they will and can give you. They can projectile poo on you. All right, that's 10.
That's 10?
Yep. Do we need to put the lid? They ain't gonna fly out of there, I don't think. Fresh grass, chickies, and bugs. Look, there's a bug right there. Get the bug. And here's hay. Oh, hold on. Here's Hey checking out the new chicken population. He's like, I know there's chickens in that barn. We could never see them because they were in the brooder coop. So we're gonna get this brooder coop all cleaned out right now so we can get it ready for our second batch. I'm not gonna film me clean out a chicken coop. That's kind of disgusting. All right, we got our chicken brooder coop cleaned out. Candace is just gonna wash the schmutz out of it here quick because we use that for a little bit of everything around here. Kind of one of those go-to little carts. I love it. Don't like the dumping feature. I don't like that because, look, check this out. You can't get all the stuff out. You always end up with stuff in the back corner like that when you go to dump it. So then you have to almost tip it like right upside down. Other than that, works great. So, flush the cart. Yep. Whoa, hey. Boy, it really cooled off here. We're gonna actually get some of our lettuce harvested right now for dinner tonight. And this is our first cutting of our lettuce, and it looks great. I'm gonna save this little guy right here, but this Salanova, oh, looks spectacular. If you guys leave that just like that, then it'll come back and get a cut and come again lettuce on this, and oh, we love it. We'll eat this all year long like that. Just want to make sure to leave about an inch or so on top so it can regrow. But in a few weeks, we'll have a full another head of lettuce just like that. Thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. I appreciate it. It's been a real long weekend. We're gonna go eat some of this salad, and I think we're gonna grill up a chunk of fish too. So I'll make sure to show you guys what that looks like here. But thanks again, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.